Hey there, fellow business owners. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips for growing your business in 2025. Today, we're tackling episode 109, How to Add Your Business to Tripadvisor. If you're running a hotel, restaurant, or any travel-related spot, getting listed on Tripadvisor can skyrocket your visibility and attract more customers. It's a free and powerful tool, but the process has some updates for 2025 that make it even more streamlined. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the Tripadvisor website and create a free account if you haven't already. Make sure to use an email associated with your business for easy verification. Once you're logged in, navigate to the For Business Owners section. It's usually found in the footer or under the Help menu. This is where the magic happens. Next, click on Add Your Business and fill out the basic details. You'll need to enter your business name, address, phone number, and website. Tripadvisor now requires a 2025 update. Include your business category and any special features, like pet-friendly options or accessibility services, to boost your profile's relevance. Don't rush this step. Accurate info is key to avoiding delays. Now, for verification, Tripadvisor will send a code via postcard to your business address, or you might get an email if you're already verified on platforms like Google My Business. Once verified, you can upload high-quality photos, write a compelling description, and even respond to reviews right away. Pro tip for 2025: use the new AI-powered tools to optimize your listing with suggested keywords and analytics. One common pitfall? Not monitoring your listing post setup. Regularly update your info and engage with customers to build trust. And remember, Tripadvisor's algorithm favors businesses with genuine interactions. There you have it. That's how you get your business on Tripadvisor in 2025. If you follow these steps, you'll be up and running in no time. Hit that like button if this helped, subscribe for more business hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.